Thanks for joining my AWS Weekly Series, Week 3, August 2021. This lecture covers 18 AWS announcements made over last week. First one, AWS Lambda now supports Python 3.9 as both managed runtime and a container-based image. This brings in support for TLS 1.3 as well. Another x86-based compute option in the form of M6i instances is launched. M6i instances are built on the AWS Nitro system. These instances offer up to 15% better compute price performance over M5 instances. These M6i instances are ideal for workloads such as web and app servers, backend servers supporting enterprise applications such as SAP Business Suite, SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL databases, gaming servers, app development environments. Amazon RDS for SQL Server now supports automatic minor version upgrades. AWS Elastic Beanstalk now supports capacity rebalancing for Amazon EC2 auto-scaling groups. This feature reduces spot instances interruptions to customers' applications. This feature, if enabled, automatically attempts to replace spot instances in an auto-scaling group before they are interrupted. AWS Transfer Family expands compatibility for FTP secure and FTP clients and increases limit for number of servers. Fully customizable action space now available in AWS DeepRacer Console. Amazon forecast weather is now also available in the Asia Pacific region. A new Redis compatible data store option, MemoryDB for Redis, is announced by Amazon. Amazon Aurora supports PostgreSQL 9.6.22, 10.17, 11.12, and 12.7 versions. Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL now supports Oracle _FTW foreign data wrapper extension. This extension allows your PostgreSQL database to connect to and retrieve data stored in Oracle databases. But this extension is supported only for PostgreSQL 12.7 or higher versions. Amazon Elastic Cache for Redis now supports auto-scaling. Starting today, Amazon Redshift introduces spatial query performance enhancements to improve query processing of spatial data. AWS IoT Analytics is now available in the Asia Pacific, Mumbai, AWS region. Amazon SageMaker Notebook instance now supports Amazon Linux 2. Amazon EC2 Hibernation adds support for C5D, M5D, and R5D instances. AWS Cost Categories introduces split charge rules for allocation of shared costs. EC2 VM Import or Export now supports migration of virtual machines with UEFI boot to AWS. UEFI is Unified Extensible Firmware Interface. You can now use EC2 VM Import or Export APIs to bring your UEFI-based virtual machines directly to AWS EC2 without converting to legacy BIOS. Last one, Amazon EC2 customers can now use ED25519 keys for authentication during instance connectivity operations. So far, EC2 instances could only use RSA-based keys to authenticate to EC2 instances. Now, EC2 customers can also use ED25519 key pairs. Of course, the default still is RSA-based, but this is just an addition to the existing RSA-based key pairs option. That's all for this lecture. Please do subscribe to my channel if not done already. Thank you for watching.